Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today I would like present our article about self-reliance healthcare students of Miftahul Huda Islamic Boarding School Indramayu through cultivation and processing of family medicinal plants, toga. Let we start the first part of our article with the introduction. Health development is an effort carried out by all components of society aimed at increasing awareness, willingness, and ability to live a healthy life for everyone in order to realize the highest degree of public health as an investment for the development of human resources that are socially and economically productive. The success of this health development cannot be separated from developments in science and technology, which have led to increased community productivity, decreased mortality due to illness, and increased life expectancy. One effort to support success in health development is to implement self-reliance healthcare program for Islamic boarding schools. Self-reliance healthcare can be done by providing knowledge and skills about clean and healthy living behavior through the cultivation of family medicinal plants. The next part of our article is research purpose. The purpose of this research is to increase the health self-reliance of Miftahul Huda Islamic Boarding School students through the development of family medicinal plants as a means of cultivation training, provision of family medicinal plantations, provision of processed products, and professionally managed, so our students are able to participate. We use survey and descriptive method in this research. There are two stages. The first stage is preparation. In this stage, we survey the location to identify the need for materials and equipments to increase the self-reliance of healthcare for students, coordinate with leaders and administrators of Islamic boarding schools to design the implementation of programs and activities. The second stage is implementation. In this stage, we gave the training about clean and healthy living behavior, or PHBS, theory and the practice, training in the cultivation of family medicinal plants, training on processing various family medicinal plants products. Next part is data analysis. Data obtained were analyzed using quantitative and qualitative descriptive analysis. Okay, now we go to the result and discussion. We can see from the table 1 result analysis of PHBS indicator questions. Based on the result of the analysis, there was an increase in exercise indicators that is equal to 25.85%. The PHBS training is able to improve exercise indicators. It is indicating that students have understood the importance of exercise to maintain healthy body. This is in line with Natsir, which states that exercise can improve the function of organs such as the heart, blood vessels, lungs, muscles, and bones, improvement of metabolism in the body, reduced body fat, and cholesterol leveling. Exercise causes a person to be more resistant to stress and better able to concentrate. This is caused by increased blood supply and decreased salt levels in the brain. An increase in the indicator of vegetables and fruit consumption was 8.84%. PHBS training is also able to increase the consumption of vegetables and fruits in students, although there are still some students who still do not like vegetables and fruit consumption, but there are still more who consume them. Vegetables and fruit are a source of food that is very beneficial for the body, especially in supporting the need for vitamin intake. Vitamins are a group of organic compounds that are not included in a group of proteins, carbohydrates, or fats that cannot be produced by our body. There was also an increase in the hand washing indicator, which was 6.10%. Although it was small, it showed that students could washing their hands properly and know the benefits of washing their hands. This is consistent with Mariunani, which states that washing hands is one of the most basic techniques to prevent the entry of germs into the body. An increase in the indicator to dispose of waste in its place, which is 3.40%. Before this research was carried out, students were aware of the importance of environmental cleanliness. So, after the research was carried out, more and more students understood the meaning of environmental cleanliness. The negative impact caused by littering is flooding, disease outbreaks, and of course other environmental damage. Littering can also have an impact on air pollution, which can damage the ozone layer. Unlike the other PHBS indicators, the smoking indicator decreased by 4.9%. This shows that there is a decrease in male students who smoke. At the Miftahul Huda Islamic Boarding School, there are 43 male students consisting of several ages. Smoking behavior is strongly influenced by the social environment, family, and social friends. The most influential factors for adults to stop smoking so far is reinforcing factors, including social environment, addiction, and role family. Several studies have shown that friends have the strongest influence on adolescents' smoking behavior compared to mass media and family. The second activity is planting medicinal plants. Planting medicinal plants is done by listing medicinal plants to be planted and determine the expected properties of plants. Some of the plants planted include ginger, chili, spinach, moringa, and so on. Planting medicinal plants begins with preparing the land that will be used for the toga garden. Furthermore, the provision of medicinal plant seeds, which is efficacious as medicine, is then planted in the garden area in a mutual cooperation by all members of the toga group, so that the activities can run effectively and efficiently. After that, the labeling of the names of plants and the efficacy of these plants is carried out for treatment so that it can add insight for students who want to take advantage of these plants. Let's see the table 2. There are species and processed product of toga. This training produces various processed products from toga. The products produced include ginger dodol, spinach chips, candied chili, moringa leaf nastar, and moringa leaf sponge cake. The types of family medicinal plants found in Indonesia, especially in Indramayu, are very diverse, but there are still many people, in this case students, who know about the types of family medicinal plants because they think that toga can only be found in processed herbal medicine. So, when the students were given training on processing of various toga products, they were very interested and very enthusiastic. The expected output in the self-reliance activities of students' healthcare is students have cognitive, affective, and psychomotor competence in cultivating and utilizing family medicinal plants into a variety of processed foods that are healthy, delicious, nutritious, and interesting. While the outcome as a continuation is expected, that the cultivation and utilization activities as food ingredients that have a self-value and long-term can help improve the self-reliance of healthcare for students. We can conclude that this research can run well and beneficial, especially in terms of increasing the health self-reliance students of Miftahul Huda Islamic Boarding School in Indramayu through the development of family medicinal plants cultivation as a means such as training or cultivation education, provision of family medicinal plants garden, provision of processed products, and managed professionally. That's all our presentation today. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next presentation. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.